Hello pets, how are you?
Subscribe to my channel. Let's start learn English with me. Just speak English. Give someone a compliment number to talk about something you both have in common. Speak English, son. Have more conversations with people you don't know. Be brave. Worry less even if it's uncomfortable. Be brave and just do it, Sandstorm says. Teach yourself a speech or monologue. Memorize a poem that speaks to you. Number 2, have a discussion with yourself. Memorize your favorite song and sing it. Use a voice recording app. The basic element of any language is words. 2, talk to people. 3, watch and learn. 4, ask for corrections. 5, know the parts of speech. 6, look for patterns. 7, practice verb forms.